Hi guys! Welcome to my channel and welcome to another edition of a budget-friendly recipe. For today's video ay gagawa po tayo ng balun-balunan creamy sisig. And for this recipe ay gagamit po tayo ng balun-balunan gizzard. What I did was I cleaned the gizzards very well. Make sure there's no leftover skin or fats and corn kernels na nakadikit sa ating balun-balunan. Boiling water with 3 tablespoons of suka for 10 minutes. After I boiled my gizzards sa tubig na mayroong suka, I drained. I throw away the water and then chopped up these gizzards. Stir-fried sa ating pot na nilagyan ko ng kaunting mantika. Then, as it sizzled, I added my onions and my garlic and then I seasoned it with salt and some powdered black pepper. Just stir-fry these gizzards until this biggies becomes cooked and crispy around the edges. Ang sisig-sisig pa talaga. I made sure na ang aking sisig balun-balunan ay walang lansa. So I added half a lemon, yung kanyang katas, dito sa aking niluluto. Let it evaporate. And then, at the end, ay nagdagdag din po ako ng 1 tablespoon of suka talaga para to make sure na walang lansa. And I let these babies be well cooked and crispy. Pagkatapos niyang maluto, patayin ang apoy, ilagay sa counter because yan! Luto na? Because we are going to add our vegetables, yung ating mga pampasarap at lalo pang pampaganang vegetables, yung ating minced red onions, minced white onions, minced red bell pepper, at saka chopped up green cheese. And if you want, you may also add a little bit of minced fresh garlic. So this is what I did, and I also added additional juice of lemon juice. Yummy! Pulutan. Pwedeng iulam, pwedeng palman sa tinapay. And because this sisig is a very creamy sisig, I also added 2 tablespoons of mayo. Ilagay lang po yan dito sa ating naluto ng balun-balunan. Wala na yan sa apoy. Just toss up this mayo together with our vegetables and gizzards. Ready na po yan. Ready to serve. And if you want yani extra special or extra nutritious ang ating sisig, you may also cook 2 eggs. Jaran! Here, I present to you my gizzard creamy sisig. O, diba? Yan. So, kahit pa tayo kumakain ng mga sisig na yan, make sure we add some vegetables on the side. This creamy sisig ay napakasarap pong kainin. Kasama ang kanin, kasama ang mga dahon-dahon na yan.
Ano ba gusto mo ito?
Put some tablespoons of this sisig sa loob ng lettuce na yan. So, it will become a lettuce wrap. Munch it. Sarap. Or, katulad ng ginawa ng aking kasama sa bahay ng ibang lahi. Dahil hilig sila sa maanghang, ipinalaman ang aking creamy sisig sa isang magka-partner na sliced bread. Diba? So, we can serve a very budget-friendly, yummy, really satisfying ulam. Basta tayo ay didiskarte at magiging malikhain. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope magustuhan ninyo ang video na ito. Please don't forget to give this a thumbs up, subscribe, and share this to your friends. Thank you so much. God bless. See you again on my next video. I'm gonna show you what to do with some